Our top 5. Best Robot Vacuum and Mop. One number product. iRobot Braava Jet Robot Mop. The Braava Jet M6 Robot Mop helps tackle sticky messes, grime, and kitchen grease, keeping the hard floors throughout your home effortlessly clean. Just attach a mopping or sweeping pad and the robot automatically takes it from there. When you're on the go, control and customize how your robot cleans with the iRobot Home app. 2 number product. iRobot Braava Jet Superior Robot Mop. Superior Robot Mop with precision jet spray and vibrating cleaning head helps tackle dirt and stains. Gets into hard-to-reach places, including under and around toilets, into corners, and below cabinets, using an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. Navigates under and around objects and furniture. 3 number product. Samsung Electronics Vacuum and Mop. Designed to make your life easier, the Samsung Deebot mop automatically negatives your home, avoiding obstacles as wet spinning pads remove dust and grime. 2 spinning pads allow the unit to move, turn, and clean simultaneously for maximum results. 4 number product. Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Multi-directional floating brush keeps the brush closer to the ground for deeper cleaning even on uneven surfaces. Roborock S7's all-new rubber brush is more durable and resists hair tangling better. It's perfect for homes with pets. 5 number product. ECOVACS Deebot Robot Vacuum and Mop. A laser-based 3D technology that lets an 8 Pro Plus detect and avoid objects such as cables, slippers, and pet mess to reduce the risk of getting stuck. The station's disposable dust bag holds up to 30 days dirt and debris. Thanks for watching this video.